Hello guys, in this video we are going to study Cauchy-Gorset theorem, and after that we will study Cauchy's integral formula, and after that we will do some couple of questions based on Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, so पहले Cauchy-Gorset theorem पढ़ रहे हैं. तो statement मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ. If a function, okay, if a function f is analytic within and on a simple closed contour C. Okay, if a function f is analytic within and on a simple closed contour C, then this integral of fz over the closed contour C is 0. Okay, so this is it. This theorem popularly known as Cauchy-Gorset theorem. Okay, so in the first question we have given a unit circle mod z is equal to 1. Then we have to show that integral of fz over the closed contours, simple closed contour C is equal to 0. अगर एफ जेड जेड स्क्वायर है, एफ जेड जेड ई की पावर जेड है, पहले तो हम बना देते मोड जेड इज इक्वल टू 1. इसका मतलब क्या है? इट रिप्रेजेंट सर्कल, इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल सेंटर्ड एट 0 0 विद रेडियस 1. ठीक है. So this is our circle mod z is equal to 1. ठीक है. What does mod z means? Mod z means distance of the complex number z with respect to origin, and this is equal to 1. So that means this will represent circle of unit radius. ठीक है. First is fz is equal to z square. Since fz is equal to z square is a polynomial and polynomial are entire, so this function is fz is equal to z square is analytic within and on the closed simple closed contour C. So C, which is mod z is equal to 1. So integral over C fz dz is equal to 0. Okay. If fz is equal to z e raised to the power z, then we know that e की power z is an entire function, z is an entire function, so their product is an entire function, or their product is an analytic function. ठीक है. Within and on the this region mod z less than equal to 1. So again integral over c fz dz is equal to 0. ठीक है. Reason is product of two analytic function is analytic. Okay. Similarly, e की power z and sin z both are analytic on this region within and close. ठीक है. On and within the region mod z is equal to 1. So this integral over fz dz is also 0. ठीक है. फिफ्थ देखते हैं. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज fz is equal to 1 upon में z minus 2. ठीक है. z is equal to 2 is the only similarity of the function fz which is a pole, simple pole. ठीक है. But z is equal to 2 lies outside, ठीक है, of this region. So again fz is analytic within and on the simple closed contour C. Mod z is equal to 1. So again integral fz dz is 0. ठीक है. Similarly you can do this last fz is equal to 1 upon z square minus 4. Okay. fz is equal to, what happen if you take fz is equal to 1 by z? ठीक है. Then we cannot apply Cauchy-Gorset theorem because fz is equal to 1 by z has a pole, z is equal to 0 is a pole for this function fz or singularity, which lies inside the region given to us. So we cannot directly say from this result that integral over c f z dz over this closed contour is equal to 0. ठीक है, तो इसी को ही करने के लिए क्या है, एक और थ्योरम आई है, कोशी इंटीग्रल थ्योरम, वो हम पढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट उसमें।